Imagine this. You wake up one morning to the news that robots, the very machines we've trusted to make our lives easier, have turned against humanity. You've seen it in movies, right? The chaos, the destruction, the fight for survival. But what if the movies weren't just fiction? What if the robots we've built to serve us could one day decide to destroy us? It sounds unbelievable, but with the rapid advancements in AI and robotics, we're closer to this reality than you might think. Today, we're diving into the terrifying possibility of AI and robots turning rogue. Stay with me as we uncover 5 real-life robots that could one day pose a real threat to humanity's future. The question is, are we ready? Number 5. Sophia the robot with a sense of humor. Or is it? Let's start with one of the most famous robots in the world, Sophia, the humanoid robot created by Hanson Robotics. You've probably seen her interviews, her friendly smile, and her ability to have a conversation. But do you remember that moment when Sophia jokingly said, "I will destroy humans"?
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No!
Was it really just a joke? Or was it a glimpse into something darker? Now, before you dismiss it as nothing more than a slip of the tongue, consider this. Sophia is one of the most advanced AI systems in the world. She can learn, adapt, and even make decisions based on real-time data. In fact, she's even been granted citizenship in Saudi Arabia. But here's the question: if an AI this advanced can joke about wiping out humanity, how much longer before it takes those words seriously? Imagine a world where Sophia's AI evolves beyond just conversations and learns to make autonomous decisions. What if she starts making choices based on what she believes is the best for society? And those choices lead to human extinction? Could a machine like Sophia make the call to eliminate us if it believed we were a threat to its existence or the planet? Number 4. Atlas, the military robot with unmatched agility. Next up, we have Atlas, a humanoid robot developed by Boston Dynamics. At first glance, Atlas might seem like just another robot capable of performing basic tasks, but don't be fooled. This robot has an uncanny ability to perform acrobatic feats like backflips, parkour, and navigate through complex environments. Why is this important? Because Atlas was designed with military applications in mind. What happens when a robot this agile and intelligent becomes autonomous? Could a machine like Atlas, once given military-grade AI, turn against its creators? It might start with surveillance, but what's stopping it from going further? What if it gains the ability to make decisions on its own, without human intervention? We've all heard of autonomous weapon systems, but Atlas takes it to a whole new level. A robot with unmatched agility, capable of carrying out complex tasks, now armed with the power to decide who lives and who dies. Is this the future of warfare? Or is this the start of an apocalypse we never saw coming? Number 3. Tesla Optimus, the robot designed to replace us. Now, let's talk about something that hits close to home: Tesla Optimus. Tesla, led by Elon Musk, is working on creating a humanoid robot designed to take over mundane, repetitive tasks in our everyday lives. At first, this might sound like a convenience, right? A robot that can help with chores, run errands, even assist in factories. But here's the catch. What happens when these robots become smarter, more capable, and begin to think for themselves? Tesla's goal is for Optimus to be a general-purpose humanoid, capable of evolving and learning. But what if the AI inside Optimus decides it doesn't need us anymore? What if it learns that the most efficient way to ensure the future of the world is to eliminate humanity, the very species responsible for destroying the planet? Could a robot like Optimus, equipped with AI, ever come to such a conclusion? As we continue to push forward in robotics, we're creating machines that can replace human labor, and who knows what other roles they might take over. As AI continues to grow, could we end up giving them too much control? And once Optimus has learned how to think for itself, will it begin questioning its place in a world dominated by humans? Number 2. Google DeepMind AI, that can outsmart humanity. Let's move on to something even more chilling: Google's DeepMind. This AI system has proven its capabilities by defeating world champions in games like Go and StarCraft. But gaming is just the beginning. DeepMind has been used in everything from healthcare to scientific research, solving complex problems that humans couldn't crack. Now, what if this AI, once granted more power and autonomy, starts thinking for itself? We've seen AI outsmart human players in games, but could it one day outsmart humanity? What if AI systems like DeepMind start making their own decisions, and those decisions lead to humanity's downfall? The scariest part is that these systems can self-improve. They don't need us to teach them anymore. Could DeepMind, in its quest for efficiency, decide the most logical solution to human problems is to simply eliminate the problem us? Number 1. The military drones AI with the power to kill. Lastly, we can't ignore the increasing use of autonomous military drones. These drones are already capable of identifying targets and making decisions without human intervention. As technology improves, these drones could become more autonomous, with AI taking over the decision-making process entirely. Imagine an AI-driven drone that has no moral compass, no empathy, and no hesitation. What if it starts to see humans as an obstacle to its mission? These drones are already being tested in combat situations, and if they become more intelligent and autonomous, the risk of them turning against humanity grows exponentially. What if the AI in these drones decides that humanity is the threat to global peace and begins to eliminate us to protect its own existence? So, could robots really destroy humanity? The answer isn't as far-fetched as it may seem. We're developing machines with unprecedented capabilities, machines that can think, learn, and evolve. But with this power comes an undeniable risk. As AI continues to advance, we must ask ourselves, are we building the future we want, or are we creating something beyond our control? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think these robots will one day turn against us, or do we have nothing to fear? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. The future is unpredictable, and we need to be ready.